today we're going to be working on changing this speaker right here. For us to be able to remove this door panel, there's going to be some screws here, screw here. I think there's one at the bottom. We got to take this tube out. There's going to be like 2 screws behind this, and like I said, the one in here. So at this point, you can just pull off the panel. You're gonna have these 2 screws right here. We're gonna get those out right now. Here, I already took them out. You're gonna remove this little plugs that are right here in these holes. You're gonna take these 2 screws out. Say there's gonna be one right here, one right here, and one right here. Once you take those 2 out, there's this one right here that seems to be also holding the door panel. This one I didn't see on the other side. So this should be the only difference between this driver's side and the passenger side. So we're gonna take it out right now. So there was this bracket right here that I went ahead and took out just because I wanted to get a cleaner look. That bracket was good for these speakers, which are the stock factory ones that are trash. But the ones that I'm getting, they're gonna sit in there perfectly without any interference. All right, so the speaker's mounted right there. It's a little off, but it's just because the way it is. It's not, you know, it's bigger compared to this one, but no vibration, no nothing. So I'm gonna put everything back. I have already tested it and it sounds pretty good. And just as we were finishing up with the front, the rear speaker showed up. So I will take care of those in a minute. The rear speakers are actually a lot easier. They pretty much just have this plastic covering here. So literally just pop that one out, take the old speaker out. It's really just gonna have 4 screws. It will have this plug coming from factory. I went ahead and just took it out and spliced it with the wires that came with my new speakers, because I thought that was going to be the cleanest look, honestly. And now I pretty much just got to do the same thing for the other side.